I finally got the opportunity to try this honey by truthhoney.com. This particular flavor was lemon ginger, so I said, let me shoot my shot at making lemon ginger garlic chicken. So I simply cleaned, chopped up some chicken thighs into bite-sized pieces, and now I'm just seasoning it with our any and everything all-purpose seasoning and our whatever you want tasty, which is our meat seasoning. So here I am preparing to make our sauce for the chicken. I used a cup of lemon ginger honey, a tablespoon of soy sauce, a tablespoon of cornstarch, and I also came back and I used a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar to cut some of that sweetness of the honey. So now I'm going to remove my chicken from the pan and add in all of that garlic. I used the entire bowl of garlic. I allowed the garlic to cook down for a bit, and now I am adding in that sauce to allow it to thicken, which it has. Now I'm adding back that chicken to allow it to absorb all of that deliciousness. And look at that, y'all. Lemon ginger garlic chicken. If you are interested in purchasing the honey or the seasonings in the video, I will list the links below. Enjoy your day.